Our story begins in 1977, a time of cosmic alignment. The giant planets of our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, were positioned in a rare celestial dance. This planetary arrangement, which only occurs once every 176 years, created a unique opportunity. It allowed a spacecraft to use the gravity of each planet to slingshot itself towards the next, accelerating its journey into the outer solar system. This was the Grand Tour, a mission of breathtaking ambition. NASA seized this moment, launching two remarkable probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, to embark on this epic voyage of discovery. They were our mechanical explorers, our eyes and ears in the far reaches of space. These twin spacecraft were marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the harsh environment of deep space for decades. Their primary mission was to study the outer planets up close, and they succeeded beyond anyone's wildest dreams. They sent back stunning images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm larger than our entire planet. They revealed the intricate and beautiful complexity of Saturn's rings. They gave us our first close-up views of the mysterious ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, discovering new moons and magnetic fields that baffled scientists. Their journey redefined our understanding of the solar system's planetary family, painting a new dynamic portrait of our cosmic neighborhood. Today, Voyager 1 holds the title of the most distant human-made object from Earth. Having completed its planetary flybys, it continued its relentless journey outward. In 2012, it achieved a monumental milestone. It crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium. It had officially left the solar system's protective bubble and entered the vast, empty expanse between the stars. It is now so far away that a radio signal, traveling at the speed of light, takes nearly a full day to reach it. It is a lone sentinel, sailing silently through the cosmic ocean, a testament to human curiosity. The spacecraft continues to speed away from us at an incredible velocity, currently traveling at over 38,000 miles per hour. While its scientific instruments are slowly being powered down to conserve its fading energy source, it still whispers data back to us across the immense void. Its journey is far from over. It has left the familiar shores of the planetary system and is now venturing into a region that humanity has only ever theorized about. Its next major destination is a vast, ghostly realm that surrounds our solar system, a place of myth and mystery. It is heading towards the Oort cloud, a journey that will take centuries to even begin. What is this Oort cloud that Voyager 1 is destined to explore? Imagine a gigantic spherical shell of icy debris that encircles our entire solar system. This is the Oort cloud, a concept first proposed by the Dutch astronomer Jan Oort in 1950. It is a theoretical region as we have never directly observed it. Its existence is inferred from the behavior of long-period comets, those celestial visitors that swing into the inner solar system from the farthest reaches of space. The Oort cloud is thought to be their ancient home, a cosmic reservoir of primordial ice and rock, remnants from the formation of our solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. The sheer scale of the Oort cloud is difficult to comprehend. Its inner edge is thought to begin somewhere between 1,000 and 5,000 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Its outer edge may extend as far as 100,000 times that distance, stretching nearly a quarter of the way to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. Voyager 1, despite its incredible speed, will not reach the inner boundary of this immense cloud for another 300 years. This time scale helps us appreciate the true emptiness of space and the vast distances that separate celestial objects. It is a journey that transcends human lifetimes. Once Voyager 1 finally enters the Oort cloud, its passage through this diffuse region will be a slow and silent one. The objects within the cloud are spread incredibly far apart. It is not a dense field of icebergs, but rather a ghostly sphere where one icy body might be millions of miles from its nearest neighbor. Scientists estimate that it will take the spacecraft an astonishing 30,000 years to traverse the entire cloud and emerge on the other side. During this immense period, Earth will have undergone unimaginable changes, but Voyager will continue its silent, lonely trek through the dark. This 30,000-year journey highlights the nature of interstellar travel. It is a game of patience, played out over geological timescales. The spacecraft will be long silent by then, its power source depleted. It will become a ghost ship, a relic of a past civilization, drifting through the sun's outermost domain. Its passage through the Oort cloud will be unobserved by us, but its path is a calculated certainty. It serves as a profound reminder of our place in the cosmos, a tiny island of life in a vast ocean, and the incredible journeys that are possible when we dare to look up and venture outward. The Voyager mission was not just about science and exploration, it was also about communication. It was a gesture of cosmic optimism. Attached to the side of both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 is a very special artifact, the Golden Record. This is a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc, a time capsule designed to tell the story of our world to any extraterrestrial civilization that might one day find it. It is a message in a cosmic bottle, cast into the interstellar ocean. It contains the sounds and images of Earth, a snapshot of humanity in the late 20th century, meant to survive for 1 billion years. The contents of the Golden Record were carefully selected by a committee chaired by the great astronomer Carl Sagan. They wanted to capture the diversity of life and culture on our planet. The record includes 115 images, showing everything from the structure of DNA to scenes of human life, like a woman shopping in a supermarket and athletes competing at the Olympics. It also carries a rich tapestry of sounds. There are greetings in 55 different languages, the sounds of nature like wind and rain, and the songs of whales. It is an ambitious attempt to say, this is who we are, this is our world. Music forms a significant part of this interstellar message. The selections span different cultures and eras, from Bach and Beethoven to the blues of Blind Willie Johnson and traditional music from around the globe. The idea was to convey the emotional and intellectual depth of our species through the universal language of music. The record is protected by an aluminum cover, which also includes diagrams. These symbols are a user manual for any alien intelligence that might find it, explaining where the spacecraft came from and how to play the record to unlock the treasures held within. The Golden Record represents our hopes and our cosmic loneliness. It is an acknowledgement that we might not be alone in the universe and an invitation to connect. While the chances of it ever being found are astronomically small, its existence is profoundly significant. It forced us to think about how we would represent ourselves to the cosmos. What is the essence of humanity that we would want to share? The record will likely outlive our planet, surviving long after the sun has expanded into a red giant. It is Voyager's most enduring legacy, a silent ambassador carrying our story to the stars. The Voyager mission has fundamentally reshaped our cosmic perspective. Before Voyager, the outer planets were little more than faint points of light in our telescopes. After Voyager, they became vibrant, complex worlds with their own unique personalities. The mission gave us a family portrait of our solar system, revealing volcanic moons, nitrogen geysers, and bizarre magnetic fields. It filled in the blank pages of our planetary science textbooks, replacing speculation with hard data and breathtaking imagery. This knowledge is a critical part of understanding how our own planet, Earth, fits into the grand cosmic scheme of things. Even as the spacecraft ventures into interstellar space, its legacy continues to grow. Its journey is a practical lesson in the vastness of the universe. When we hear that it will take 30,000 years to cross the Oort cloud, it forces us to grapple with timescales that dwarf human history. It gives us a tangible sense of the distances involved in interstellar travel. In about 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will make a relatively close pass of another star, Gliese 445. It will not be our messenger anymore. By then, it will simply be a piece of space debris from a long-lost solar system. The technological achievement of the Voyager probes is also a source of immense inspiration. These machines were built with 1970s technology. Their computers have less memory than a modern car key fob. Yet, they have operated for nearly half a century in the most unforgiving environment imaginable, battered by radiation and extreme cold. Their longevity is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the engineers and scientists who built them. The mission proves that humanity is capable of achieving incredible long-term goals when we work together with vision and purpose, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Ultimately, Voyager is more than a spacecraft. It is a symbol of our innate desire to explore, to push beyond the horizon and see what lies there. It represents the best of our species, our curiosity, our intelligence, and our hope for the future. As it continues its silent, endless journey, it carries with it a piece of all of us. It is our silent ambassador to the cosmos, a testament to the moment when a young species on a small blue planet dared to reach for the stars. Its journey will continue long after we are gone, a faint metallic whisper in the vast, silent darkness of the galaxy.